Gemini 2.5 is absolutely insane. I've done some testing and I'd like to show you the results. So the first test was to see how well it can create a game. I use an extension called Klein. You can download it from the VS Code extensions. A few prerequisites if you want to follow along. Make sure you have a Google Gemini API key. For this first test, I used Klein extension with VS Code, and I asked it to create me a game of Bowman. I gave it a fair amount of detail. It is just blistering fast, to be honest. But yeah, I'll fast forward so we can see the results. I think these results are absolutely phenomenal. I mean, I didn't tweak the prompt at all. It's just one prompt and it created this game. It's absolutely insane. Quick note, if you're still using Cursor and you're paying £20 a month, use this Klein extension instead. It's basically free. Right, for the second test, I wanted to test out its agentic properties. So I opened up browser use. I'm using the web UI of browser use. You can check out my other video below to see how to get this set up. I asked it to find me a list of 5 estate agents in West London. I need their emails and contact numbers. See, one thing a lot of large language models kind of hiccup at is kind of dealing with the rejecting the cookies. This dealt with it with ease. As you can see, it did this effortlessly and it got me all the contact details. Now, it's still not perfect, but it's a step in the right direction. It's definitely the best we have. Now, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. It wasn't much of a deep dive. I do plan to do more of a comparison video between GPT, Gemini, Anthropic, and so on. So please do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you at the next one.